welcome to another Bite Size. So in this little video, I'd just like to share a slight bug I've found with the 2023 software and the iLogic shared folders. So here we can see that I have a few shared rules, and we set up our shared folders for iLogic in Tools under the Options. We see here we've got some iLogic configuration, and this is where we can set up the shared folders. If we have maybe a network shared folder with our rules, this is where we would normally point it to that folder, as well as a few other bits of information in there. Now, if that folder moves, usually you could point it to another folder. However, I've found in 2023 at the moment, it turns the iLogic add-in off, and I'll show you that now. So if I just close the software, I'm just going to navigate to my shared folder. So let's just bring that over so you can see. So here is my shared rules folder, and all I'm going to do is just change the name. So it's not looking in the right place for the right folder, let's say. So now we've changed that name. I'm going to open the software, and we should see before the software even opens that there is an issue with the software. It does pop up a message, as we see here. So it's telling me that it can't find the folder, basically. And then there's another window just going to pop up with some more in-depth issues there, again, relating to the iLogic rules. And once the software opens as well, I will show you in the add-ins that it is actually turned off. And the problem with this, just wait for Vault to log in there. The problem with this is with the add-in turned off, and just waiting for it to catch up. With the add-in unloaded, we don't get the option in the Tools menu to, so let's just open a pad so we can get into our options. Again, it's telling me it can't find the folder there, and we see there are no iLogic options either here or in the home menu. And as I say, you can see that in the add-ins folder. It's actually set to unloaded. All you need to do to fix that is just take notes of the string, the error for the file location, and just add a folder in. Name it the correct folder. It doesn't have to be the right one. It just needs to fix that link. So if I just close this down and reopen Inventor, it should open without those errors. So there we go, the Inventor opened up. It's just logging into my Vault there. We didn't get the error. And also, once we're loaded, we should see that we have our iLogic configuration back. Another issue with this is that when it is unloaded, you will also not get the iLogic tab in the Manage ribbon. So you could still add iLogic rules. You can still create rules because the iLogic tab is here, but you can't do things like triggered events. Basically, this panel is missing, and there is no option to turn the panel on or off because the add-in is unloaded. So again, to fix that, just take note of what the file string is, where it's looking for the folder, add a folder back in there, and then you can once again go back into the tools, and once you can get back to the iLogic configuration, you can just add the string to the new location wherever you've decided to move your shared folder, or if it's missing.